greater visibility, right? So the driver works on an everyday basis with us, and we have records on a daily basis on what he has earned, right? So that is something that we are making available to the bank in real time, right? So that gives them greater visibility. Two, we look at it in a very different way. We say, what is the driver out there for? He's out there to make money, to grow as an entrepreneur. And as long as we are able to give him business, as long as revenue comes in, right, there is no question of him wanting to default, right? So he's there to earn more and get a second car and his third car and so on, right? So we are supportive on that front. On the initial front, like sir said, we give a comfort letter to the bank stating that the driver is going to come on board. Sure. So that changes from city to city, category to category. But just to give you a sense of it, in a city like Hyderabad, someone who logs in for 12 to 14 hours on a daily basis, right? If he works through the month, in a good month, he makes as much as 65 to 75,000. Of which he takes home about 20 to 25,000 after all his expenses, repayments, etc., including commission. So our fundamental approach here is we see the driver earning revenue on the platform every day, right? An NPA is not something that we can action as a platform, right? We are making this information available to the bank. The bank will take its own due course, right? Gets better visibility, assuming a driver has not been having any revenue for 15 days. The bank has an opportunity to reach out to the driver to find out what is wrong. In this case, the default becomes far lower because there is more control. Unlike 12 data points that were available before on an EMI basis, the bank has far more data points available now, right? So on request, a lot of it can be done in terms of the bank being able to action or rather not let an NPA happen in the first place. The platform and the total number of rides that we do in a day. From this specific program, we're looking at about 100,000 drivers coming out, right, in the next 2 years. This will be in association with SBI, which will be the primary driver, as well as a couple of other NBFCs, non-banking financial companies. We're looking at about 100,000 drivers coming out of the Ola Pragati program itself in the next 2 years. 70,000 drivers are driver entrepreneurs. The remaining 30,000 cars are owned by small to medium operators. We're looking to double it, to about 14 to 15,000 cars. So on a daily basis, pan India, we add about 1,000 cars on the platform every day.